Afternoon, Big up Island Wide Express, Thanks for the good work and push out and take the packages and things like that, Yeah. Never a dull moment. How me get in contact with Island Wide Express, me I run through social media. And me say I had with Jamaica one of them say them can ship this and ship that, and me say I'm gonna try it, and yeah, the rest of history. From then till now, I've been shipping with them. No glitch, no delay, nothing. Even through COVID, never no delay. Same way package I reach me and thing. Yeah, so right now, my whole family I ship with Island Wide Express, and most of my community, people where I live, I ship now with Island Express. Yeah man, good service, good customer service, non-stop. And for the new people we are going to ship, please go platinum. As you click the button, go platinum. It now cost you a dollar, it now cost no money, just go platinum. Yeah man, and big up Island Wide Express every time. Big company, respect.